Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, Southwest Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Traverse RS package vehicle. This vehicle is powered by the 3.6 liter V6, made it up to the 9-speed automatic transmission, and of course is all-wheel drive. Once in the interior of the RS here, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, locks, as well as your dial for your, right down there, for your tailgate, power tailgate. Leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, black Chevy bow tie signature for the RS there. Cruise control, forward collision warning, all piloted from your steering wheel. 8 kilometers on the odometer here. Push button start, 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio, climate controls, as well as your Apple CarPlay. Heated seats up front. We do have the USB outlets down there as well. Automatic shifter knob. We do have the 4x4 dial there as well. We do have lane keep assist and traction control in this vehicle as well. Jet black leather interior. Looking at our beautiful leather heated seats. Looking at the exterior of this RS Traverse, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. Amazing looking gunmetal wheels there. Cajun red paint job on this beautiful, beautiful Traverse. Color matched door handles, mirror caps, blacked out trim pieces on the windows there for the RS package. This vehicle does have remote start, keyless entry. Coming to the rear of the vehicle, we do have the powered tailgate as well, bird's eye view camera system, black bow ties as the front and rear. You can see the RS badging there, dual chrome exhaust tips coming out the rear, looking absolutely killer. Jumping on into the interior again, second row captain's chairs, both leather as well. We do have the USB outlets there and your climate controls for the rear. We have the sun and moon roofs here, LED lighting, AC vents coming out of the roof, quick fold seats as well. Third row bench seat here for 7 passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the beautiful 2020 Chevrolet Traverse RS. If you think this is the next vehicle for you, come down and see us here at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, Southwest.